Before the sun learned to rise, before Babylon learned to speak, the drum was already talking. Hear it. Ancient word in the skin.
Sleep, I place me hand pon sacred skin. Every beat call ancestors in. No crown pon head, no throne inside. Only Jah light cut through the night. Babylon dream but dawn awake. Stone by stone them walls shall shake. Drums of the first dawn call my name. Drums of the first dawn blaze me flame. Drums of the first dawn beat so deep. Wake the lion that Babylon put to sleep. Listen close. One carry word from coast to coast. Every scar tell a holy psalm. Every wound still warm with calm. Themself feel like holy bread. Teach the youth what the elders said. But the drum nah lie, nah twist, nah bend. It speak truth till the very end. Drums of the first dawn, slow and wide. Heartbeat of the earth inside. Drums of the first dawn, beat so brave. Roll like thunder through the slaves. I now march with gun or blade. Me weapon card from rhythm and faith. Silent step but heavy sound. Kingdom fought without a pound. Smoke rise high from seed of fire. Prayer travel higher, higher. Jah no shout, Jah no boast. He move like mist along the coast. Drums of the first dawn guard me way from ancient mine, the reborn day. Drums of the first dawn speak and warn. Truth was born before Babylon.
When the sun touched the drum skin and the fire turned to we are made for us. But rhythm.
Before the sun learned to rise, before Babylon learned to speak, the drum was already talking. Hear it. Ancient word in the skin.
them sleep, I place me hand on sacred skin. Every beat call ancestors in. No crown pan head, no throne inside. Only Jah light cut through the night. Babylon dream, but dawn away. Stone by stone, them walls shall shake. Drums of the first dawn call my name. Drums of the first dawn cleanse me flame. Drums of the first dawn beat so deep. Wake the lion that Babylon put to sleep. Put to sleep. Mountains stand still, them listen close. Wind carry word from coast to coast. Every scar tell a holy psalm. Every wound still warm with calm. Them sell fear like holy bread. Teach the youth what the elders said. But the drum nah lie, nah twist, nah bend. It speak truth till the very end. Drums of the first dawn, slow and wide. Heartbeat of the earth inside. Drums of the first dawn beat so brave. Roll like thunder through the slave. And I march with gun or blade. Me weapon card from rhythm and faith. Silent step, but heavy sound. Kingdom fall without a pound. Smoke rise high from cedar fire. Prayer travel higher, higher. Jah no shout, Jah no boast. Him move like mist along the coast. Drums of the first dawn guide me way. From ancient night to newborn day. Drums of the first dawn speak and warn. Truth was born before Babylon. Before Babylon. Before Babylon.
When the sun touched the drum skin and the fire turned to ash, know this, empires fade.